All right, today we're going to start off talking about your dragon eyes, and let's go through a couple of the things that you're going to need. So you're going to need a couple of colors. So your colors, I would recommend at least 2 colors. And your colors, they're going to be a little bit easier to blend if they're ones that are closer to each other on like the rainbow order. So these 3 colors are going to go together nicely. If you were to throw purple in there, it's going to be a little bit harder to blend, or you could go like greens and blues. I would also choose one darker color that doesn't have to be black. This one I've got like a midnight blue. You could also use like a brown in this one. So there's a variety of things, but you need to have a couple of colors that you want. One darker, think of that like your anchor color. Something else you're going to be needing is your definitely need a sharpener today, and you're going to need a regular pencil. All right, so on your worksheet that you have, you should already have the circles drawn for you. The next thing that you need to work on is thinking about the shape that you want. So the shape that you want, if you want it to be more human-like or more friendly looking, I would draw a circle in the center. That's your pupil. If you want it to be more reptilian, then what I would do is experiment with your shape in the center over here. So you can kind of try out some different shapes. Also, think about where that pupil is going to be. So if you put it in the center, it's going to look like it's looking directly at you. If it's off to the side, it's going to be looking like it's off to the side looking. So after that, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and choose your video. I have several loaded in Google Classroom so that you can choose the look that you want and follow along with the videos. All of them turn out extremely well. I've done a couple of those videos. All right, so then afterwards, this is kind of talking about after you have all of your colored pencil and all your work done, you're going to be cutting it out. You do need your name on the back. Make sure and do that before you start gluing. Then what you're going to do is you're going to get a little glass piece. This is a piece of glass. It's actually called a cabochon. Getting technical for you. And you're going to get a little bit of glue. This is a special kind of glue. It's called Mod Podge. With your Mod Podge, you're just going to take a little bit of glue. You want to make sure that you kind of have that all over the project. So you're going to take that and I put it on a couple of places. Then what you're going to do is take and put that onto your piece of glass. Make sure that it adheres really well, and just so you know, that is going to dry clear, so don't worry about it. You don't need too much. It looks a little milky right now. We're going to let that set up for a little bit, try to clean off some from the edge, but that's going to dry and all of that milkiness is going to be gone. It'll be shiny looking whenever it is done. All right, so whenever you are finished with this, you are needing to leave it here. I should have a box already out for, it really does look milky. I promise that is going to dry clear. So you're going to be putting this into the box with your class hour. All right, hope you had fun creating your dragon eye.